single day, millions of cigarettes are rolled, packed, and shipped across the globe. But have you ever wondered what really happens behind the closed doors of a cigarette factory? What goes into making these little sticks of tobacco that have captivated and addicted so many people worldwide? Today, we take you inside one of the world's largest cigarette factories, from the delicate process of growing and curing tobacco leaves to the high-speed machinery that produces thousands of cigarettes per minute. Get ready for an eye-opening journey into the world of cigarette manufacturing. The origin of tobacco. Long before cigarettes became a global industry, tobacco had deep cultural and historical roots. Ancient civilizations, including the Mayans and Native Americans, cultivated tobacco for rituals, medicine, and recreational use. When European explorers arrived in the Americas, they quickly adopted the practice, leading to the widespread use of tobacco products. By the 19th century, cigarettes emerged as a preferred method of consuming tobacco, thanks to advancements in paper rolling and industrial production. Over time, cigarette brands developed unique blends, marketing strategies, and sophisticated manufacturing techniques that turned smoking into a multi-billion-dollar industry. The tobacco harvest. The journey of a cigarette begins in vast tobacco fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, where the plants thrive in warm climates with fertile soil. Tobacco cultivation is an age-old practice that requires meticulous care and a deep understanding of the plant's needs. It all starts with tiny tobacco seeds, which are so small that thousands fit into a single gram. These seeds are sown in controlled environments, usually greenhouses, where they are nurtured and carefully monitored. Once the seedlings reach a sufficient size, they are transplanted into open fields, where they are given ample space to grow. Farmers ensure that the plants receive the optimal amount of sunlight and water, while also protecting them from pests and diseases. This stage is labor-intensive, as the plants require constant attention to maintain their health and quality. Regular weeding, fertilization, and soil management are essential to encourage robust growth. After about 4 to 6 months, the plants mature, their large, vibrant leaves beginning to show hints of yellow. This color change signals that the leaves are reaching the ideal stage for harvest. Timing is crucial. The leaves must be neither too green nor too dry. Experienced farmers can gauge the perfect moment just by the texture and color of the leaves. Harvesting is a precise process. In some regions, skilled workers carefully hand-pick the leaves to avoid damaging them, while in larger operations, automated cutting machines are used to speed up the process. Only the highest quality leaves are selected, as they will directly impact the final product's flavor and smoothness. The harvested leaves are bundled and transported to curing facilities, where they are prepared for the next stage of production, curing and fermentation. Freshly harvested tobacco leaves are far from ready for cigarette production. To unlock their characteristic flavor and aroma, they must undergo a crucial process known as curing. This involves drying the leaves under controlled conditions to remove excess moisture while preserving the natural oils and compounds that contribute to their taste. There are several curing methods, each chosen based on the type of tobacco and the desired flavor profile. Air curing. The leaves are hung in ventilated barns and allowed to dry naturally over several weeks. This method produces a light, mellow flavor, often used in pipe and chewing tobacco. Flue curing. One of the most popular methods for cigarette tobacco, where warm air circulates through curing barns, gradually drying the leaves over 7 to 10 days. This results in a bright, mild tobacco flavor, commonly associated with cigarettes. Sun curing. The leaves are spread out under direct sunlight, where they dry quickly, developing a sweeter, milder taste. This technique is common in Mediterranean regions. Fire curing. Wood fires are set in barns to generate smoke, which infuses the tobacco with a rich, smoky flavor. This method is often used for stronger, more robust tobacco blends. Once cured, the tobacco enters the fermentation phase, a slow aging process that refines its taste, removes harshness, and enhances smoothness. During fermentation, the leaves are carefully stacked and covered, allowing natural enzymes to break down undesirable compounds. This aging process can take several months and is crucial for developing the rich, complex flavors associated with premium cigarettes. Processing the tobacco. At the factory, large bundles of cured tobacco arrive for further processing. The first step is sorting, where skilled workers and automated systems categorize the leaves based on quality, size, and color. This sorting ensures that only the finest leaves are reserved for premium blends, while lower-grade leaves may be used for budget brands or flavored cigarettes. Next, the leaves undergo conditioning, where they are moistened and gently heated to make them pliable for further processing. This step is crucial, as overly dry leaves can crumble during the next stage, stripping. Stripping involves removing the central veins from the leaves, as these tough, fibrous parts can negatively affect the smoking experience. The stripped tobacco is then shredded into fine, even strips, ensuring consistency throughout the blend. Cigarette manufacturers carefully mix different types of tobacco to create unique flavor profiles, maintaining a consistent taste across every batch. Flavoring agents and additives may also be incorporated at this stage to enhance aroma or smoothness. Rolling and cutting. With the tobacco prepared, it's time to roll and cut the cigarettes. The shredded tobacco moves to high-speed rolling machines that can produce up to 20,000 cigarettes per minute. The process is an impressive display of precision and efficiency. A continuous sheet of thin cigarette paper rolls out, forming a long, unbroken tube. A precise amount of shredded tobacco is evenly distributed along the paper, ensuring uniform filling. The paper is tightly rolled around the tobacco, creating a long, cylindrical rod. The rod is cut into individual cigarette lengths, each stick uniform in size and density. Throughout this process, automated sensors monitor every step, detecting any inconsistencies in filling or rolling. Defective cigarettes are immediately removed from the line to maintain quality standards. Adding the filter. The next step involves attaching filters to the freshly rolled cigarettes. Filters are made from cellulose acetate, a fibrous plastic material designed to reduce the harshness of smoke. The filters are cut to length and wrapped in tipping paper, which often includes ventilation holes for a smoother draw. The filter tips are then securely bonded to the cigarette rods using a special adhesive. Advanced machines ensure that the alignment and attachment are flawless, as any irregularity can affect the smoking experience. Once assembled, the finished cigarettes undergo rigorous quality control. Automated scanners check for size accuracy, proper tobacco filling, and any visual defects. Cigarettes that don't meet the strict criteria are discarded. Packaging and distribution. Once quality control is complete, the cigarettes are bundled into packs of 20, which are then wrapped in foil to preserve freshness and sealed in branded cardboard packaging. An additional layer of cellophane is applied to protect against moisture. The packs are arranged into cartons, which are then stacked onto pallets for shipping. Massive logistics operations coordinate the movement of these products from factories to distribution centers worldwide. Whether transported by truck, ship, or plane, every shipment is carefully tracked to ensure it reaches retail outlets promptly. Through an efficient distribution network, cigarette manufacturers ensure that their products are always available on store shelves, in vending machines, and at various points of sale across the globe. If you're amazed by the engineering and precision behind cigarette production, hit that like button. Want to see more behind-the-scenes factory tours? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the next deep dive into the world of manufacturing. Sustainability and innovation. Despite the declining number of smokers in many countries, cigarette manufacturers continue to adapt by implementing new technologies. Some companies are developing biodegradable filters to reduce pollution, while others invest in alternative nicotine products like heated tobacco and e-cigarettes. Efforts are also being made to reduce the environmental impact of cigarette production. Many factories have switched to renewable energy sources, optimized water usage, and adopted recycling programs to manage waste more efficiently. Thanks for joining us on this behind-the-scenes look at cigarette manufacturing. If you found this video insightful, drop a comment below and let us know which factory process you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.